Hey guys, it's Kay. Of course, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you this body wave 4x4 wig I was sent from Nadula Hair. Just in case you guys are interested, go ahead and check the description box below because all the links and details to this wig will be there. So this is what the construction looks like, and like I said before, it is a 4x4 lace closure. The hairline is pre-plucked, but the knots are not bleached. I'm not going to go in and pluck the hairline because I think that is plucked well. I can't remember the length. I think it's 22 or 24 inches. It is a body wave texture. The length will be in my description box because I can't remember off the top what it was. And this is what the sides of the wig looks like because, again, the lace is only on the top part. So I'm going in and cutting off the lace right here. I do use my Got to Be Glue freeze spray, and you actually don't have to glue down the lace or whatever you do to adhere your lace. You can actually wear this glueless, but I want the lace to melt a little bit more, even though the lace is blending very well. I do believe this is a HD lace. I'm not sure. Like I said, everything will be in my description, but it's blended in like a HD lace, y'all. I'm pretty sure it is. Moving along, I actually wanted to keep the body wave texture in this wig because I love body wave texture hair. Like, it just does everything for me. It looks really, really pretty. Now, if I could just leave the body wave, texture in there and wear it like that, it would be cool. But with body wave hair, like once you start combing it out, like some parts just don't be looking right. So I did go in. Oh, right here, I'm adding my concealer to the part because I did not bleach my knots. But now I'm going in with my burrow curler. I can't remember the size, but I figured this curler would actually be perfect because I still want to leave some of that body wave texture in the wig. But at the same time, I need this wig to like do its thing, and it wasn't like forming right. So I'm adding the curls in there just to make it look like something, y'all. But at the same time, I don't curl. I mean, I curl the hair all over, but I don't really get up in there and curl it. You'll see as you continue to watch this video. But I actually love the way it turned out, you guys. As you can see, this is some nice quality hair. The shine on this, everything is just nice. Like, it's so luscious. Now, I did go ahead and sleep in this wig, and when I woke up, my curls were gone. I feel like if I would have added some holding spray to this wig, my curls would have lasted longer. But I'm telling you, like, when I woke up, my curls were gone, but it still had that original body wave texture, which I can appreciate, and I just wore the wig like that. Yeah, but this is basically it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in my comment section down below. And be sure to check out the description box for details on this wig and links to this wig. But yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next video.